Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're doing a pink ink from Colorverse Alpha Boo. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. This is Colorverse Alpha Boo. This is our ink comparison panel. And it did feather really bad, so this is not promising for this paper anyway. Here is our comparison panel, our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today, and the water resistance test shows that I would not put this on the outside of an envelope. Here is our ink splotch that will make a wonderful postcard this Valentine season. And here is our toilet paper chromatography. All I see is pink, from a darker shade of pink all the way up to a light pink. Okie dokie. This is the Pen and Gear memo book from Walmart.com. The readback is not great, gotta tell you. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. Tiny bits of ghosting, but I would still use the backside of this paper. .52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia Dot Pad 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page. And it bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page. And it did ghost just a little tiny bit, but I might still use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. Does look like it's trying to feather just a little bit. And it did not bleed through the page. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper from Walmart.com. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, that did bleed through just a little bit. I can't tell if it's from my fat swipe. So we're going to do this one again. I don't see any feathering. It goes just a tiny bit. I might still use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. Feather like a chicken. Bled right through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. Feathered like a chicken. Ghosted through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Well, let's do a comparison panel and see where this ink lies. It's definitely going to be in a pink department. Okay, this is Colorverse Alpha Boo next to Mont Blanc Pop Pink, Diamond Peach Haze, Freedom of the Starry Skies Pink, Stipulate Sweet Pink, Monteverde Kindness Pink. These are very similar. Noodler's Rachmaninoff, Lamy Vibrant Pink, Gourmet Pens Pink, Birmingham Pen Company, Decane and Klein. If I didn't know better, I think that these were twins. Same with this one. Diamine Pink Ice, Tasha Lip Color Rose Pink, Géabon Bouquet d'Antan, Organic Studio Unicorn Blood, Diamine Robert, Diamine Party Time, Krishna Magenta, Pendibius 137, Roar and Klinger Sulfurino, Noodler's King Philip Requiem, Noodler's Cactus Fruit Eel, Diamine All the Best, Diamine Tammy, L'Apte Pastille California and Renopol, Erosetsuku, Yamabudo, Van Diemen's Diamonds Are Girls BFF, Diamond Claret, Noodler's Black Swan and Australian Roses, Private Reserve Plum, Diamond Deep Magenta, Colorverse Felicity Glistening, and Sailor Manyo Sakura. Let's just take a peek at some reds, shall we? See if there's anything. Colorverse Alpha Scorpy, Hero Red number 201, Colorverse Felicity Glistening, Diamine Firestorm, Diamine Coral, Diamine Flamingo Pink, Uli Red, Parker Quink Red, Kaveco Ruby Red, Ferris Wheel Press Royal Rhubarb, KWZ Sparkling Cranberry, no. Monteverde Strawberry Shortcake, no. Diamine Vermilion, no. Diamine Waterman Audacious Red, Krishna Primary Red, Sailor Irori, no. Monteverde Valentine's Red, Pilot Red, Stipulate Florentine Red, and that's really all. Okay. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a very, very light pink? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell, make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye. Have a great day.